In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update old posts on WordPress.com. Keeping your content fresh and updated can significantly improve your site's performance, both for your readers and in search engine rankings. Let's dive in and see how you can refresh your existing posts with ease. First, we need to access the WordPress.com login page. Open your preferred web browser and type in WordPress.com login to find the official WordPress login portal in your search results. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access your WordPress dashboard. If you're not already signed in, this will be your first stop on the journey to updating old content. Once you're successfully logged into the WordPress dashboard, navigate to the admin section. This is the heart of your WordPress site, where you can manage posts, plugins, and more. From here, head straight to the Plugins section on your dashboard sidebar. Plugins are crucial as they extend the basic functionality of your WordPress site and make tasks like content updates incredibly straightforward. Click on Add New to proceed. In the Add Plugins page, you'll find a search box which allows you to quickly find and install plugins. Here, type in Revisionize. This plugin is an excellent tool for managing and updating old posts without affecting the current live version of your site. When Revisionize appears in the results, click on Install Now. After a minute or so, the button will change to Activate. Click on Activate, and Revisionize will now be ready to use on your site. This plugin is indispensable as it lets you create revisions of your existing posts safely without altering the published version until you're ready. With Revisionize installed and activated, let's go back to the Posts section of your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all your existing content. Browse through your posts and choose the one you'd like to update. Once you've selected a post, click on Revisionize from the list of actions below the post title. This feature creates a clone of your original post that you can edit and update freely. Now that you have a revision of your post, you're free to make the necessary updates. Revise the content, update any outdated information, and ensure your writing is clear and engaging. Once you're satisfied with your revisions, you can publish the changes, replacing the old post with your newly updated content. And there you have it. You've successfully updated an old post using WordPress.com, ensuring your site remains relevant, accurate, and useful to your visitors. Keeping content up to date is a fantastic practice for maintaining high-quality information and enhancing user experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy updating.